This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Brian Southwick. D28 is a 44-foot slip in premier location. Keyless entry, full-service laundry and shower building. Picnic area with outdoor games, barbecue, seating areas. Wonderful Marina store with cafe and local artwork displays. Short walk to the 200-room inn at Semiahmoo with restaurants, spa, tennis and pool amenities. Marina has Wi-Fi, active yacht club. Join the famous Arnold Palmer designed Semiahmoo Golf and Country Club. Won't last long. Gateway to the San Juans. 2 hours from Seattle and 10 miles plus / to the Canadian border. For more information, review the details below.